Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.